Are you tired of rushing through your vacations, only to come home and feel like everything was a blur? What if the real secret to experiencing a place isn't about seeing more, but about seeing less, much less? Let me introduce you to the art of slow travel. Forget the frantic checklists and jam-packed itineraries. Instead, picture yourself waking up in a quiet town, sipping your morning coffee at a local cafe, watching the world unfold, one gentle moment at a time. Slow travel isn't about ticking off landmarks. It's about sinking into the rhythm of a place. It's wandering side streets with no destination, striking up conversations with locals, and letting curiosity, not a schedule, be your guide. I used to believe that more photos and more sights meant a better trip. But honestly, the memories that changed me most were the accidental ones. The ones where I slowed down enough to notice the way the light fell across an old stone wall, or the laughter of strangers turned friends. When you travel slowly, you give yourself space to truly connect with the people, the culture, even with yourself. You start to notice the small details, the taste of fresh bread, the quiet stories behind everyday routines, the feeling of truly being present. Imagine coming home not just with souvenirs, but with a sense of belonging, and the kind of memories that linger long after your suitcase is unpacked. So next time you travel, try slowing down. You might just discover the world in a way you never imagined.